So a few days ago, Mark Zuckerberg dropped a single number. Almost everyone scrolled past it. 500 million monthly users on Thread in under 3 years. Now, let me put that into perspective. Facebook needed about 6.5 years to hit that same number. Instagram took 6 years. Threads, on the other hand, did it in under 3 years. And Meta is already pushing it towards 1 billion. So if you're looking at the app right now, as of today, Thread is not even halfway done growing. And here's where people split into two individual groups. One group sees this number and goes, oh, cool, Thread is getting bigger. Now, the other group stop and ask a smarter question. If 500 million people are sitting on an app that is still doubling, why 99% of them is actually consuming, why the lane to actually make money is wide open? So you see, that's what we are breaking down today in this video. How regular people with no audience, no camera, no product of their own are actually turning this rich into a steady $500 a day with absolutely nothing but typing. But before I show you how this works, I have to kill 3 lies that are probably sitting in your head right now. Because if I don't clear these things out first, you will watch this whole video, close the app, and do nothing about it. Now, lie number 1, I need a big following to make sales. No, you don't actually need that. You need to understand how Threads feed actually work, because it's nothing like Instagram or TikTok. On Threads, the algorithm doesn't care how big your account is. It cares about the post itself. One good post from an account with 0 followers can get pushed up to 100,000 people overnight if your words hook the reader. I've watched accounts with under 500 followers pulling real buyers off a single post because Thread pushes the post, not your profile. So following is not the currency anymore. Attention per post actually is the currency on Threads right now. So lie number 2, I have to show my face and film a video. No, honey, you don't. And this is the trap that most creators falls into because they force the TikTok mindset on an app built for reading. They think they need good lighting, editing software, a big on camera personality. No, Threads is a text-first app. The posts that get the most people's attention are just written words. No editing, no mic, no expensive camera, just your ideas, your clean hook, and you guess it right, your keyboard. Now, lie number 3. It's too late. The market is saturated, blah, blah, blah. Look at the numbers again. 500 million people. And how many of them are actually selling a clean digital product? Most people on Thread currently are doing one of 2 things: arguing about politics or posting random thoughts that goes nowhere. The digital product lane is still completely wide open, basically empty because the market hasn't figured out that Threads is the perfect machine for moving someone from I have this pain problem to take my money and fix it. And you don't have to take my words for it. Look at what regular people like you and I are doing on Thread right now. So from this screenshot, you could tell that from someone's very first 2 downloads all the way to a 19-year-old doing almost 20 grand a month. Same app, same tool you have right now in your phone. Now, I believe your excuses are there. So let's look at the actual math. A steady $500 a day setup actually comes down to 3 things. If you miss one of it, you make absolutely 0. You do all 3 at once and it stops being a guessing game and turns into a simple math. Are you ready? Let's go. A small product that solves one thing. This is where most people overcomplicate it and it freezes them. They think that they need 3 months to film a 12-module masterclass. No, you actually don't. The fastest path to a steady sale is one small product that fixes one specific annoying problem. It could be a template, a swipe file, a ready-made script, a short guide, something between $10 to $30 that gives someone a win within 10 minutes of downloading it. Number 2 is content that makes people want it, not free lessons. This is the biggest mistake I see. Creators think that their job is to teach. It's not. If you show up and just show the full step-by-step for free, you just solve their problems for free. They will like your post, maybe they even comment and scroll past it. They've got no reason to buy. You already gave away the house. Your content's job is to press on the pain, point out the stuff they are ignoring, make them believe there is a clear shortcut to fixing it. Your post opens the wound. Your product fix is in your bio. 3. A dead simple way to buy. This is where a sale dies for 90% of people. If someone reads your post, click your bio and hit a messy website, a sign-up wall, or a confusing pricing page, they close the tab. Gone. What you need is one clear link, one product, one clear button for them to click. That's it. Here is a question for you. Do you actually have a product you can sell right now? You don't need to answer that actually, because you've got 2 directions, and I will map out both for you to pick from, because some people might not want to build anything from scratch. Now, part A, build your own product with AI doing the heavy lifting for you. Now, part B, sell someone else's product. This is the affiliate marketing route. If you don't want to build anything, go straight to affiliate marketing. This is the most underrated starting point because your barrier is basically zero. Marketplaces like Gumroad, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and JViso are full of templates and tools that pay you anywhere from 30% up on to like 70% per sale. So you don't write the code, you don't host the file or deal with customer service. You find a product that genuinely solves a real problem, grab your link and put all your energy into content that drives traffic to that page. A great product sitting in your bio with no content is like building a store on a busy street and forgetting to put in a door. So to keep people reading instead of scrolling, you need to rotate through 3 types of posts. Post number 1, the pain. You say out loud the exact frustration your buyers feels in their word, not the marketing speak that you see everywhere or the AI templated slop. Don't write boring hook like, are you trying to optimize your online business productivity? Nobody cares for something like that. It reads like an ad. Instead, hit the nerves. Like, you bought 4 courses, watch 30 hours of YouTube videos this month, and your dashboard still says $0. That's specific, and people will trust this. This kind of hook, I bet you they stop scrolling because that exact thought must have gone through their head 10 minutes ago. They feel seen, and now you've got their full attention. So post number 2, you flip the belief. You call out something they wrongly believe that keep them struggling for years and is keeping them stuck, and take it apart with simple logic. Maybe they think they need like a 10,000 person email list to make real money. So you prove to them that how 200 person niche audience will outsell a dead list of 50,000. To me, you are not preaching here. You are changing what they think is possible, because someone who believes that success is out of reach will never buy, no matter how cheap it is. Type number 3, prove you are worth listening to. Every few posts, remind people why your take is worth trusting. Not flexing, real proof. Share a lesson you've learned the hard way. Break down a mistake that cost you thousands or hundred, whatever it is, whatever mistake you've made in the past. Show a clean client result. This is the trust that makes your pain and belief posts actually convert instead of just collecting likes. You run all these 3 on repeat: the pain, the belief, the proof. Threats reward posts that pull replies and reposts. And pain and belief posts naturally will do that because people either feel it deep or jump in the comments to argue. And I like that kind of post. Once people jump on my comment section to argue, I like it. I look at it and I smile because that post is going to go viral. And the golden rule is this: you never give away a full how-to for free in the feed. You show the problem clearly and you prove that the clean fix for that actually exists. The product in your bio becomes the bridge. When your posts start taking off, never make the rookie move of dropping a sales link inside the post itself on Threads. Do that, the algorithm is going to bury your reach to stop people leaving the app, because the idea is to always keep people on the app. The post's only job is to get seen. Your bio's only job is to sell the product that solves that problem. Your bio points to one clear place: one product, one price, one clean button. You can use free tools like Gumroad, Stan Store, Whoop, or Seller let you set all of this up in under 45 minutes. No hosting, no web design, nothing technical. Connect your payment, link the file and drop the link in your profile. And the maths behind the $500 a day I talked about from the beginning of this video is actually simple. Your target is $500 a day, right? So let's say your product price is about $20. The sales you need actually to make $500 a day is 500 divided by 20, which is 25 a day. That's it. 25 people out of tens of thousands of people who will see your post on Threads, a platform that is currently heading towards 1 billion users. You could miss 99% of the time and still hit your mark. You don't need a huge dead following. You need a useful product and a content system aimed straight at real pain. Okay, logic makes sense. But what do I actually type first? I know. I gotcha. That's exactly why I put together an AI income starter kit. It's not a 40 bloated hour course you will never finish. It's a raw, practical stuff. The hook, the template, the exact frameworks, the validation steps. If you need the shortcut instead of building everything yourself, the link is in the description of this video. But whether you use my kit or build your own, let's be honest about what actually separates real business from a hobby. Showing up every single day, not posting once, not testing it for 4 days and quitting because you didn't go viral. Show up daily while everyone else is sleeping or wasting hours arguing in the comment. 500 million people are already on the app. The wave is happening right now. The only question left is whether you are going to be one of the few people who will step up right now and leverage this wave and sell a real solution, or you're going to be among the 499 million people who will just scroll past Threads and do nothing. Thank you for watching this video, and if it gives you any clarity, hit subscription and drop a comment and tell me the exact niche you are currently going to do this week. And if you have any question, put in the comment. I'll be there to reply.